Hey everyone, welcome to this tutorial that I'm still going to keep very short. Today, I want to introduce you, if you don't know it yet, to a tool called Calendly. And this is especially for you guys out there who are in the business of doing one-on-one coaching or consulting. So therapist, coach, anything like that, basically, if you need to have appointments with people for your business, this is great. Calendly is a free platform. I mean, you have to pay if you want to upgrade, but there's a free version of it that should be enough for you to get started that allows you to set up meetings with people. So think of it, before we used to go like, okay, so you want to have an appointment with me? So what's the best time for you? What's the best time for me? And it was like this whole loop of yes, but no, but yes, but no. Let's do it at this time, but not that time. And what Calendly does is that it simplifies the stuff, and basically it gives you a link to share to people, and people can basically book themselves in your calendar all by themselves, and you receive a notification that someone booked you for an appointment. How amazing. Obviously, and you will see, you can set up your calendar in a way that fits the times where you're working, basically. So let's just jump right in. I'm just going to give a quick intro to the tool. So the tool is called Calendly. As you can see here, you can reach it by typing calendly.com. So you can register with your email address. I'm just going to go directly to my account. All right. And as you can see, I have several events here and several calendars. So basically what it does is that you can set up a link for each type of event. So for example, here I have Heard and Seen, which is my offering for people who want to have a conversation with me about pretty much anything. I have 30 minutes, I have 1 hour. So I have the 30 minutes here, Heard and Seen, so people can book a time. I have a discovery call for the get-go, so people can book a time. I have a 15, 30, and 60-minute meeting for people in my network, for example, or when someone wants to have a meeting with me. So each one of these calendars, they're the same, but they allow people to book a different type of event. How genius. All right, so let's say we want to create a new event type, and I have several calendars and events I because I have paid the upgraded version, which is not that expensive. So you have the opportunity to have one-on-one or group meetings. Let's go and create a one-on-one meeting. So you give an event name. So for example, let's call it discussion. This is what people will see. Location, it can be in person, Google Meet, phone call, Zoom. Let's do Zoom. And you can give a little description. Welcome, book your slot here for a conversation with me. Something like this. And then this is the name. This is the link that people will see. You can change it. You can discussion. You can do anything really. Next. All right. So when can people book this event? This is the real stuff. So I like to have people book within the next 20 days because it's a personal preference. I don't know where I'm going to be in 30 days. I don't know, so I don't like to give too big of a range. Also, I do feel that when you give a smaller range of time, people are more enticed to book sooner. So you can also have within the date range or indefinitely into the future. The duration of your meeting, you can set it up as you want. And here, this is the cool stuff. So I always go to set custom hours. You can use an existing schedule, so working hours basically. But I like to do set custom hours. You choose your time zone, very important. And then you just basically choose the times you work or you want people to book you. For me, for example, I have calls only in my afternoons. So all of my days are available only from 12 to 18. And let's say, for example, that I don't want to work on Wednesday, I just check it out. I can also change the date, the times. Here's something that's really, really cool. I made the mistake of not checking this, and I had 2 meetings booked, one right after the other, and it literally one starts 1 minute after the other. You don't want that. So I highly recommend that you have the before and after, and you can have like 5 minutes if you think 5 minutes is enough for you. So this gives you a little bit of padding between meetings, just in case people book you 1 hour or one meeting, one slot after the other. You want to, check yourself and make sure that you're taking care of yourself. Cool. We're clicked on next. So discussion is ready to accept events. This is the link that you will share with people to book you, and I will show you how it looked like. But just another thing here that is really cool. So let's say you shared the link on your website or on your Instagram, and you don't have any conversations going with these people. You don't even know who these people are, clients basically. So a good way to get to know a little bit more of them is, you will have their name and email, but you can also ask them to share more. So I always ask, please share anything you think will help for this meeting, for me to know what we're going to talk about. This saves me time, this saves them time. And you can change the sentence, you can make it required or not, and you can specify how they can answer. For example, checkboxes, you can say, are you under or above 18 years old? Yes, no, things like that. Are you, sorry, under 18 years old? Yes or no? And then you apply. You can add questions, and you can add any questions you think will help you prepare for the meeting. What's next? Workflows. I didn't try it, so can't help on this. Notifications and cancellation policy. This is really, really important for you to go through it. And then confirmation page. So I have the Calendly confirmation page. It's a, typical confirmation page, but you can also redirect to an external website. For example, if you want people to be redirected to your website or to an external questionnaire or to your Instagram page or things like that, you can use this. This is a premium feature though, so you got to pay for this one. And just here, you can actually collect payments within Calendly. Makes sense, right? People want to book a slot with you. Well, first of all, they got to pay. Makes total sense. This is amazing because it just saves you time. I love it. So once you've done all of this, you can see your live page here. So let's just change tabs and come to this one. And this is what people will see when they click on your link. So basically, this is your name of your meeting. This is a little introduction, and they can literally just click on the days that are available and pick a slot. How handy. That's pretty much it. I hope you liked it. If you don't use Calendly, at least have a look at it. I find it super helpful. That's it.